to find routing number of Bank of Hawaii. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the ways to find or locate your routing number for Bank of Hawaii. So in that case, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. So then to begin with, you just have to go and log into your Bank of Hawaii. So if you have a Bank of Hawaii check handy, you will be able to find your routing number easily. Here's where you can look at it. All you need to get is the routing number. You can see the first one is your routing number, and then the middle portion, that is a bank account number, and the last one is the check number. In this way, you can go ahead and find your routing number, and you could also do this online. So first thing, you just have to go and log in. So when you're logged in, you could go to your profile section, and from there you could go to account information, and under it you should be able to find your routing number as well as your account number. In this way you can find your routing number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.